Which Suno AI model is best for your music? Let's break down every version, V2 through V4.5+, their strengths, weaknesses, and which one fits your sound. V2, the experimental pioneer. Great for glitch, chiptune, and weird textures, but it's raw, low quality, harsh, and flat. Best for quirky experiments. V3, the versatile innovator. Cleaner quality, emotional vocals, handles indie rock, dream pop, and lo-fi. Weakness? It sometimes doubles vocals awkwardly. V3.5, the polished pro, radio-ready sound with smooth, controlled vocals. Great for pop, hip-hop, and EDM, but that it can feel a bit formulaic.
Electric skies and neon rain, dancing through the static again. I see your shadow in the glow, but where you are, I'll never know. Electric hearts, they beat so fast.
V4, Realism leveled up. Human-like vocals with vibrato, better lyrics, and longer tracks. This one finally feels alive.
Streetlights hum like secret songs. The city's pulse beats all night long. I walk these roads, my shadows twin. Crash, they burn, they fade, chasing dreams we never made. Under neon skies, we come alive, hearts on fire, electric drive. Under neon skies.
V4.5, the expressive masterpiece. Rich emotion, genre mashups, natural prompts, tracks up to 8 minutes long. V4.5+, the Limitless vision, cinematic depth, global soundscapes, orchestral layering, and storytelling tracks that stretch beyond 10 minutes.
I woke up to a sky so gray, the clouds were heavy, wouldn't go away. But I put on my shoes, yeah, I hit the street. Every puddle's a drum, every step's a beat. Umbrella spinning like a carousel. The rhythm's calling and casting spell. We're dancing in the rain. Oh, we don't care. Feet are soaked, but hearts are bare. Spin me round. Let the storm play loud. Dancing in the rain, lost in the crowd.
So, which Suno AI model is right for your music? Drop your favorite version in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI music breakdowns.